Bedtime. Round the corner, not far away, Bing has had a lovely day. Hello, Bing. Hello, Annie,
Do you know what time it is?
says Square.
It's bedtime.
Ha ha ha.
Oh, okay, Bing, calm down now. It's time to ready for bed. Bing Bunny, bedtime.
Oh, Square sounds a little bit cross. Bing's not listening.
Time to sit on toilet.
I can't do a wee wee yet, Mom.
Okay, Bing, try again soon. Then brushy brush teeth and spit out of yuck. Then fling your clothes off and have a play in the bath. Okay, Bing, calm down.
That's good. Choose your story and cuddle with Dad.
Dad? Where's Dad? Is he under the cover? No. Is it playing hide and seek? No. Is he outside all alone in the dark? No. Oh, poor Dad, he's lost. Wait a minute. Who's there, stuck under the bed? It's family. Wow. I can't have a bedtime without Dad. Night light on, big light off. Good night, Dad. Good night, Mom. Good night, Bing. Bing? Where's Bing?
There you are. You went for wee all by yourself. Good for you, Bing Bunny.
That's better. Climb into the bed with family. Bedtime. It's a Bing thing. Thanks for listening, everybody. If you'd like to hear more, please like this video and subscribe to the Toy Collector channel. Bye for now, everyone.